In the previous video, we understood how to graphically present linear equations. If you have not seen the previous video, then you will find its link in the description of the video and in the I button. In this video we will try to understand how graphically solve linear equations. So let's start the video. We will try to understand this with an example. Here we have a graphical representation, and through that we have to find out how many times Akila ride on the giant wheel and how many times she played hoopla. Here you can see that the two equations showing the situations are intersecting each other at a point Q42. So this point is a common point and it lies on both the lines formed by the two equations x minus 2y equals 0, and 3x plus 4y equals 20. Let us now check algebraically, whether x equals 4, and y equals 2 are solutions of both the given equations or not. Put these values of x and y in both the equations. Putting the value in the first equation, we get 4 minus 2 times 2 equals 0. Which is equal to the right-hand side of the first equation. Putting the value in the second equation, we get 3 times 4, plus 4 times 2, equals 20. Which is equal to the right-hand side of the second equation. This proves that both these values of x and y are solutions of the given equations. As seen in the graph, both the equations are intersecting each other at only one point. It means that these equations have only one solution. Thus, Akila rode the giant wheel 4 times and played hoopla 2 times. As we told in the previous video that out of the given solutions of two linear equations, only one will be the solution. The two lines will intersect each other at one or more points. Which means both the equations will have a unique solution. The lines will be parallel to each other. Which means there will be no solution for both the equations. The lines will be coincident. Which means there will be countless solutions for both the equations. Let's see another example. Graphically check whether these two equations are consistent or not. And if there are, then solve them graphically. Let's solve. First, both the equations are shown on the graph. For this, we have already taken out two solutions of both the equations, which you can see in the form of the table. Let us first plot the solution of the first equation on the graph. x0, y2. And x6, y0. Now let's draw the line. Let us plot the solution of the second equation on the graph. x0, y minus 4. And x3, y minus 2. Now let us also draw the line of this equation. As you can see that both the equations have a common point b6, 0. This means the solution of these pair of linear equations is x equals 6, and y equals 0. Which tells that the given equations are consistent. Let us try to understand it better through one last example. Champa goes to a sale and buys some pants and skirts. When her friend asks her about the clothes, she tells her that she has bought 2 less skirts than double the number of pants. And bought 4 less skirts than 4 times the number of pants she bought. Now you help Champa's friend to know how many pants and skirts Champa has bought. So let's try to find out. The pants are denoted by x and the skirt by y. Now the equations will be like this. Y equals 2x minus 2. And y equals 4x minus 4. Like in the previous example, here also we have taken out two solutions of both the equations and placed them in the table. Now we will plot these solutions on the graph. Let us first plot the solution of the first equation on the graph. x2, y2, and x0, y minus 2. Now let's draw the line of this equation. Now let's plot the solution of the second equation on the graph. x0, y minus 4. And x1, y0. Now let's also draw the line of this equation. As you can see on the graph, there is a common point q1, 0, on the lines of both the equations. Which is the solution of these equations? x1 and y0. Means Champa had bought only one pant and did not buy any skirt. In this video we have learned how to find the solution of two linear equations graphically. In the next video, we will try to know how to find the solution of two linear equations by the algebraic method. Till then, take care and don't forget to like and share the video. Thanks for watching the video.